Uh-oh, I smell something. Something's cooking. And there's smoke.
Are the motor wires? Oh, those motor wires are warm. They're unpleasant to touch.
Yeah, those are really hot. I mean, I can feel warm air coming off this. I mean, we're looking at 114 to 90. It's a 25-degree difference.
Yeah.
I mean, it's actually doing work right now.
Well, you've been romping it pretty good, so.
Yeah, water block is hot, and the motor jacket is quite hot as well.
Hopefully you didn't let the smoke out of the motor.
I hope not, but I might have.
Well, damn.
So I pulled the motor out of the splash, and this motor, when I initially put it in, I soldered on thicker wires to it, and when I first tried it out, I let the blue smoke out of it, but I managed to put the blue smoke back in the motor, as you guys saw, because it was just running, and we're about to pop it open and see what's going on in here. Holy shit. That is not healthy. So all the red is where I put electrical tape to isolate the windings from each other when I let the blue smoke out of it initially. And it looks like a bunch of that is melted, but it also looks like this portion of the winding has like rubbed through on the rotor. Well, it's cooked. It's beyond saving. I mean, I could try, but there's so many broken little copper wires in here that I don't really know where things belong anymore. But yeah, nah, it's beyond saving. So the splash eats yet another motor. I have no idea what is going to go into it at this point, and it's probably going to sit dormant on the shelf for quite a while.
So the moral of the story is to put the blue smoke back in, you have to use red tape.
Maybe.
Don't appreciate your smart assery right now, Brian.